your Loud Vibe, and today we will be taking a look at this. And this being truck simulating a true style. As you can see here, this is a truck, an 18-wheeler. And inside this 18-wheeler, there are 3 cars. It doesn't say that it is an 18-wheeler. It's not an 18-wheeler. It doesn't have 18 wheels. But if you count all the wheels inside this box, maybe that is an equivalent to that amount. So for now, let's just open its box and see what we got inside that we haven't already seen. Alright, so this is the truck, Superpower Novo style. First great product. Well, that just raised my expectation, though I don't usually have much for these. But alright, let's remove all the things that we don't need. Remove that, and let's get that out of the way. Let's do that. Okay, so we have 2 cars on the top, and well, I don't know how to get this thing out, so we'll just do this. Okay, just go back inside. Yeah, I think it's supposed to look like that. Every texture on this truck or on these cars, they're not textures at all. They're stickers. You can peel them off at any given time if you wish to, but I like to keep my stuff, so no. So what's special about this truck and these cars? Nothing. Oh well, you can do this and lower the car, I suppose. Yeah, and maybe you can switch this, or I don't know what god reason for, but okay. And yeah, that's just about it. Okay, and you can also detach the container from the truck by twisting it like 90 degrees like this and remove it. So to round this up, do I think it's really worth it? Well, suggested retail price is $14 US. And for something that you can only look at and touch it with and not really control it with a remote controller, I think it's pretty much worth it. As a young kid, I've always been a fan of 18-wheelers and big old trucks and diesel and Max and stuff. So I really, had much fun with this. I had much fun collecting it. I had much fun looking at it. I had much fun playing with it. And the cars, the tiny cars inside is just a really nice bonus. Actually, 3 really nice bonuses. And yes, I think I love this. I like this very much. Alright. So yes, that was my final opinions. What did you guys think? Leave it down in the comment sections below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. I'm Zen from Feel Our Vibe, and I'll see you soon.